Good morning, Vijay Vadakbalkar from Freedom Influencer. This is the third lecture. Yesterday, the first lecture of first video was on meditation. Second, yesterday's lecture was on my mission. Why am I doing whatever I am doing through this Freedom Influencer channel? I am trying to influence, or my goal is to influence 1 million people to in their three areas of their life, their health, their financial freedom, and success in any walk of life. And in that context, today we are going to cover the topic of what is the right food for me. What is the food if I take, I will be free from all my lifestyle diseases. I will be absolutely healthy and I will have lots of energy to achieve whatever goals I want to achieve, and therefore I will be successful in all my missions of my life. So it's very, 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 very important. You become what you eat. And in that context, there is no other right person except Dr. Jagannath Dikshit, whose mentor was Dr. Srikant Jitskar. And Dr. Jagannath Dikshit has started this eating food only twice a day, whenever you are absolutely hungry. Let us analyze Dr. Jagannath Dikshit's mission to free the world from diabetes and as he coins it, effortless weight loss. I want to compliment Dr. Jagannath Dikshit for the kind of work that he has done through the Adore Trust, and I am part of his mission to get the world free of diabetes and weight loss. I totally support him, 100% support him. What is he trying to tell us? Let us do that in next 3 to 4 minutes. Let us analyze. What he is saying is, you should eat only when you are hungry. Find out the timings in the morning and in the evening. You have to find out what is the time when you are absolutely hungry. That point, if you eat the right food, then you will succeed in losing fat, body fat. Your insulin sensitivity will increase. So not only you will lose your weight, you will lose your inches on your waistline, your HbA1c will reduce, and fourthly, your fasting insulin will reduce. Thereby, your insulin sensitivity will increase and your diabetes will vanish. Dr. Dikshit is suggesting that during your meals, you eat all kinds of food, but reduce the carbs and reduce the sweets, direct sweets, and reduce fruits also from your meals. That is a very apt and right suggestion. And in between two meals, you only take water and homemade buttermilk. What happens if you follow and do this? To give an example, I take my brunch rather, at around 10:30, and I take my evening meal between 5:30 and 6:30. So you know what happens when my evening meal is finished by 6:30. Next day morning 10:30 I am going to eat. So automatically there is 16 hours fasting for my body, and during the night time, if you sleep well, and if you sleep during the period 11 to 4 11 p.m. to 4 a.m., a very quality sleep if you have, the body's healing takes place during this time. And to top it up, if you fast for a period of 16 hours, which automatically happens, whosoever is practicing Dr. Dikshit diet, especially if you are having your evening meal little earlier than 8 p.m. The point I am driving home is there is automatically intermittent fasting takes place, and there is a science behind intermittent fasting, because of which your body fat reduces, your weight reduces, your inches reduce on your waistline, and your insulin sensitivity also increases. So the only question that one care that one has to take is diabetes patient has what he calls hyperglycemia. You may feel giddy, you may feel little weaknesses, but if you take care by that hyperglycemia is a good sign, is a healthy sign, to reduce your diabetes dose. So the point I'm making is, what Dr. Dikshit is making is, he has appealed to all the diabetologists and the doctor community to follow the guidelines of father of modern medicine, Hippocrates, what he has said. Doctors of the future will not treat human body with medicine, but food thy be your medicine. So if you what is expected of doctors is, if people follow if the people follow the right kind of food, and what that means is, if they eat whole food, plant based, this is my version of the food, because I have learned that in when I did this diabetes educator course of Indo-Vietnam Medical Board. We have learned, this is not Dr. Dikshit's version at all, I want to clarify this, but he in fact doesn't say anything against eating animal food also, but what whole food plant based recommends is you eat the food, you avoid animal food totally, including milk products, and if you eat the raw food first, how much to eat? If your weight is say 70 kilograms, then you have to eat 700 grams in both the meals together. My recommendation to you is, if you feel 350 grams in each meal is too high, to eat raw vegetables, or if you have any challenge because of your dentures and all those things, I would recommend at least start with 300 to 400 grams, 200 grams each meal. If you eat first raw food, then you will find miracle happening in your body, and you will not have to, it will become a right food. Fruits and vegetables is the solution to the entire problem. Avoid dairy milk, avoid all milk products, avoid all non-veg food, and if you do so, then the food becomes right, food becomes medicine, and you don't have to take medicine for any lifestyle diseases. With this today, let us stop, and thank you very much for a patient listening, and I am sure if you like my contents, you would recommend to your friends and relatives and you will not forget to press the subscribe button and like button, and uh, let us wait, and let us all be happy, give thanks, and be grateful for your wonderful life that God has given to you. Till we might meet next for my next video on the subject of health, financial freedom, and success. Thank you again.